Hey YouTube, Mr. B coming right back at you with another sneaker unboxing. However, this is a bit of a late sneaker unboxing, but this shoe is so nice that even though this came out in October 2019, we're gonna do it now because it's too nice and I need to share with you what an awesome shoe is. I've been saving it, this is the moment. So SJ, before we begin, just so everyone knows, it's a Vans Sk8-Hi Pro. They are a UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5. I don't know if anyone cares about the codes for Vans Sk8-Hi Pros. They are a Sk8-Hi Pro, as I said. It is VN, I think it's 0A45JDZJE. We don't care about that. The first thing to say, everyone, and I'm going to show you there on camera too, this is a collaboration with Sour Solution. The Scandi Barcelona-based skate dudes apparently had one of the sickest videos of 2019, and certainly I just been watching it on YouTube. Absolutely epic. But this is a clean shoe. It actually came out, everyone. It came out on the same day as is it the Night of Mischief dunk, SJ? Yeah. And we bought these in Atlas in San Mateo. We queued up for the dunks, didn't get those, but these were dropping on the same day. And actually, these are super nice. I know you can't see them yet, so we're gonna flip to the overhead cam about now, just so you can have a quick look. Right, everyone. I can see already that this is ever so slightly overexposed. Sk8-Hi, it's in a marshmallow colorway. The materials on it, everyone, are super nice. Now, you're not really gonna see a lot from the top. We've got Sour stitched across the back there. We've got also some writing on the laces, which I'll talk to you about, but we're gonna come back into SJ over here. Got marshmallow all around. As you can see, lovely canvas here, standard Sk8-Hi there. If we have a look on the inside there, so you can just see that it is a Pro, Sour on the back. We've got the Dura cap across there for added protection. So if you come in here, you can just see that. Not really a lot of detail. We've got the classic stripe line. I love this color on the waffle sole. It's really nice. And then we've got this detail. So it is an Ultra Cush inner sole, and SJ loves her Ultra Cush. Obviously you get that, it's an Ultra Cush HD, but we've got this Adam and Eve inspired artwork on the inner sole. We're gonna go like that, so SJ can see it. I'm just gonna turn this. Still got the little sticky label on there. Some people will be screaming at me to take that off right now. I'll just check if it's different in the other one. Oh, it's like, no, it's the same. It's the same in the other one. So I'm gonna put the Ultra Cush back in because I'm always worried when I take these bad boys out. And we all know a Sk8-Hi is pretty flat normally, so that really makes a difference in there. And then on the laces, now, if you're Danish, or actually I think they're Danish, the riders. They might be Swedish. Could be Danish. I am about to read what it says on the laces. I'm going to apologize right now. I'm awful with languages, terrible, absolutely terrible with languages. Right, here we go. I'm not going to be able to do this. Identitasmeister, Idine, Metale, Istendine, Och. Now that could be Welsh at the end there. I've slipped into possibly a little bit of a German accent, and then I'm trying to channel my inner sort of Scandinavian person to try and kind of get this pronunciation right. I can't do it. Identitasmeister. Have a look at that. If you're Scandinavian, or actually, if you, I apologize right now. There's no such country as Scandinavia, clearly. If you are from the Nordics, and you recognize what language that is, let me know in the comments below, because I don't know. I could run it through a weird app, but I'm not going to. Alternate laces, SJ. They seem to be black flat. Let's have a look, actually. They might be quite wide. I don't think I would change the laces. I really like the marshmallow. It's sort of the kind of this off-white. I don't know. Have a look at that, SJ. What do you think? Maybe. I'm going to show you on camera too, because you'll probably be out of focus. All right, so have a look at the laces, just there. What do you think, everyone? They're kind of like a fabric lace versus what we've got already. So I'm not sure, but like this is a super clean colorway. We've kind of got this perforation around here, but the suede feels really nice. Like I can imagine that like people who skated these at the time like absolutely loved them. They feel so, You know what I like about a Vans Sk8-Hi Pro is they just always feel a little bit more premium, a little bit more solid. I know you pay a little bit more money, but it just feels so much better. And obviously with that ultra cush inner sole, it's so good, so good. I'm going to show you again, like, because I showed SJ, I love the waffle sole. There's not much else to say about them. They're really nice. Hopefully, and we'll even just do this again. Wow, these are overexposed like mad. Because like white is so hard, but like just have a look. I'm going to show you again on the overhead. It is such a great, great shoe. And like, have a look at there. Oh yes. Like, hopefully the marshmallowness is coming. The marshmallowness is coming across. What am I talking about? So, everyone, thanks for watching. I think that's just about it. If you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there. If you have, thank you. Thank you. I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to smash the notification bell, of course, that does tend to work. And if you're on Instagram, we're Pint of Stuff, hashtag a Pint of Stuff as well. And we'll feature you on Sneaker Streaming Sundays, which happens every Sunday. It's 8 PM on Sundays in the UK. That would make it 12 PM on the West Coast in the US, 3 PM on the East Coast. And if you're in Singapore, Tokyo, Sydney, wherever, it's super late, super late, so I'm sorry. Finally, I'm looking up this other podcasty thing. I'm gonna link to the form up there. It's called Sneakers and Stories, really where we chat and we talk about like your sort of history with sneakers, I hope. And we've got some people signed up, so thank you. Looking to kind of do them all roughly at the same time. I think we'll then release them one every week, and they'll be on all of your favorite podcast platforms. Right now we're in the end card. Somewhere over here there will be a video, I hope, that will that you'll like. And yeah, all that leaves for me to say is goodbye, and don't forget to watch another video somewhere over there. Thank you. Bye. Look at that, everyone. It is so nice.